Righto, this is how to get into a VY menu. I need two hands here, hang on, you've got to press the mode button and turn the key to the on. Righto, there's the menu. Overspeed, display distance to go, stopwatch, radio display on the dash, confirm beeps, you can turn that on or off, speed dependent volume, that means the volume will go up when you are at a higher highway speed. Headlights on and off, you can change that, so when you hop out of the car, there you go, how long they remain on. That's so they stay on after you've exited the car. This is when you unlock your car while you're walking to it. Auto headlight sensitivity. The courtesy lamp up on the roof. Ignition off, courtesy lamp. It'll stay on for 20 seconds. Two-stage unlock. If you turn that to no, all the doors will unlock when you press the unlock button. Auto lock when you drive. If you put no, the doors won't lock when you start driving. Door lock indicators. That's indicators only, or you can have a horn and indicators. You can have your accessories on and they turn off when you open the door. Exit.